And good morning again from our mountaintop overnighter, where we stayed in Miley in the car park at the Forêt de les Visa.
Yep.
Didn't we? Yes. Yep. And this is now part 2 of the journey that we took yesterday on the roads.
Yeah, it's a two-day journey from the campsite.
You do.
Gorgeous, aren't you?
Aren't you lovely?
Very interested.
Aren't you? Hello. Do you like your photo being taken? Do you? This is your baby. Are you a baby? Gorgeous too. Yes, you are. I haven't fed you anything, no. Do people do that?
And this section is this incredible D84,
Yes.
which is a yellow road which wiggles up from Porto all the way to just north of Court.
Yeah. Quite narrow in places coming up, I think, isn't it?
Yes, and looking at the map, it gets narrower as we go north or northeast.
Yeah.
So from this point forward. So we've climbed, as we say, up to 1,250 metres or thereabout, pretty much from sea level.
Yeah.
We've had many bends, left and right, and ups and downs, but obviously there's been a lot of ups.
Yeah.
But the ups haven't been meaty ups.
No, I was thinking that as we got closer to this last night, as we were getting tired and ready to stop, that nothing too excessively steep.
Not
Which was
really.
surprising.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. It's been quite a nice ride up. I've had I call it a ride. I keep thinking on the bike, but it's been a lovely. It was a lovely drive up,
Yes.
and to get to this point where we can actually stay overnight.
That was lucky. We were thinking, oh, have we pushed it too far? But you can't do a drive like the drive that we're doing, and it's not far distance, but it's just wiggles, isn't
We
it?
did 125
Without-
miles yesterday.
Yeah, we couldn't have turned around and gone back,
No.
and then been able to go any further the next day.
Yeah.
So it's you just have to look out for these places. We'll keep our eye out, and we'll let you know how common it is, and you can let us know how common it is. Maybe you've experienced it yourselves, and you know of places that you can stay outside of June to September
Yeah.
overnight.
Yeah.
Or if there's the other thing that I did wonder about last night was, could we go to a hotel that has a level-ish car park and do a bit of a Brit stops and ask them, can we stay for overnight and have a meal in payment?
Yeah, but quite a few of them were shut.
Yeah, quite a few of them were, weren't
So
they?
we're lucky we found a good spot, really.
Yeah.
I'm sure we would have been fine other times this week, but we were so unsure at the very beginning we booked a campsite.
Yeah.
And since we could only find 4 campsites open
Yeah.
when we booked.
And a lot of them, as we said before, have very much gone over to chalets, and there's a lot less
Yeah.
pitch space than previously.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
Look. If you can look behind us where we've been,
Where we've
that's
been.
the top.
We haven't been.
No,
up
we
there.
haven't been. We have not been, but there is a spot of snow up there.
Yeah.
But it is gorgeous.
It is.
And it's
There's more
still
views
gorgeous down there,
around
Karen.
here. Turn you round, move you up, and take you over here. I'm going to walk on the lower bits and come up slowly.
Should we see if we can climb up some of these?
Okay,
I did get up on here yesterday.
you did, but you went slip at one point, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Doesn't help once you've got muddy feet over.
Okay.
Yeah. But the sheer scale of everything gets us every time. Because we spent too much time in the UK.
Yeah. So this is why I think we've had snow until very recently, because last night this was really
Slippy.
slippy and wet and puddly. They're filled up with puddles. But we haven't had that much rain to enable that, which is why I think it's been snowy until very, very recently.
Yeah.
And certainly when we came here, only, I don't know how long ago, it's a week ago, over a week now, there was a lot more snow on the mountains than what there is now.
Yes.
Some heather, you just want to pass some heather, Karen?
Oh, found some heather. Yeah, and it's flowering. Look at that. Lovely.
So, yeah, look at this lovely rock. This is why it reminds me of the limestone pavements, even though it looks nothing like it.
And it's not limestone. No.
No, it looks
That's
nothing
the
like
thing,
it.
isn't it? Limestone is a soft rock. This is solid granite.
Yeah.
And it's still been attacked by the elements and turned into these amazing shapes and carved out into those beautiful shapes we've seen as well.
But the vista
Look at
is
that.
beginning to open.
It is revealing itself.
I need to go and get the camera, really.
Yeah, careful because it's wetter here.
Yes, it is, isn't it?
It's like a massive set of rock pools, isn't it?
Okay.
And with the clouds on there as well. Stunning.
It's beautiful. There's no other words for it. Yeah, I've got to say we have absolutely loved Corsica, and from here today we're going to go back to Calvi via Court as we mentioned, but we've only done probably a sixth of the island in a week.
Yeah.
I think if you wanted to really explore Corsica, you need at least 6 weeks, and if you really wanted to involve yourself with more in some of the little towns and villages, which we haven't really had time with, I reckon you need 2 or 3 months, without doubt, to see most of this island. And don't be scared to use some of these smaller roads, because the smaller roads have been perfectly fine for the coach belt.
They really have. Even the really small white roads work.
You have to be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be careful. So there's a car coming past on the road now.
Yeah.
That's only the second car we've heard since we've been up, and that's been about an hour.
Yeah. Well, we didn't wake up early.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, yeah. We've run out of words to describe the views, haven't we? I've been thinking about it. I keep using the word stunning and vista and beautiful.
And that's why we use the word epic, because
It really is.
I don't know how to describe it.
But this really is a chasm next to us, isn't it?
Yeah, we've never been to a jungle, but to me it looks like a jungle, like George of the Jungle, where he lived.
Yeah.
So that's Hawaii. That's where they filmed it.
Yeah.
So perhaps it looks a little bit like Hawaii. I don't know.
Well, Hawaii is another volcanic island.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense with that.
And then we've had all these massive alpine areas we've been into with all the flowers and things. It's
Yeah.
just been
You're not getting closer, are you, Graham?
no dulling.
Don't slip on that bit.
No, I won't slip on that bit.
But I did some time-lapse footage yesterday, didn't I? So
Yeah.
perhaps that's something I could do now with these little clouds.
Yeah.
Why do you go and get your camera?
I'll get the camera and I put the
Possibly even with those ones
and
over
I go and
there.
grab your drink.
Yeah. So enjoy the footage, both from the van and from Digby the drone.
Yes, mixture of all sorts. Enjoy them. Bye bye.
Bye bye.